Welcome to my temple. Please come in. My name is Eva. I'm going to be your spiritual guide. Today I want to introduce you to the miracle healing power of the biosonic tuning forks. These innocuous-looking tuning forks have been scientifically calibrated to two specific frequencies that together bring amazing healing effects to the body. And the two frequencies are G384 and C256. It was Dr. Beaulieu who invented the biosonic tuning forks after he spent 25 years of scientific research. I attended his conference and learned about the enormous effectiveness of this incredible new tool for healing. I learned from him how sound can affect the soft tissues and the organs of the body and change the bioelectric communication system within the body, even down to the very cellular level. Sound can penetrate and affect positively the very core of our being, changing even the nervous system communication effectiveness. There are sounds that soothe and heal, good sounds, such as the sound of nature. The sound of water flowing. And music can have positive or negative effects. Music can heal, excite, move us emotionally. But there are sounds that can harm the body, hurt the body and the mind. We are often inundated with discordant sounds of life in the modern world. And at home, we've been under the spell of television for decades. People leave their TVs on all day, overstimulating their nervous system, which can lead to anxiety, fatigue, depression, and a host of many other stress-related diseases. To cope, to find relief, to find healing, people often turn to doctors, to traditional medicine. we often turn to what is familiar in times of crisis or pain. The medicine that the doctor prescribes may or may not help you. And sometimes people are put on an endless chain of medications that ultimately harm. I invite you back to nature, to the healing sounds of nature, the sounds of harmony and peace. Listen. Bring home the sound of healing. I use them to create my own sound healing sanctuary. I go deep in my own sanctuary, which I create with the tuning forks. Now let's bathe in the sound of the tuning forks. If you would like to order a set, please go to my website, grandcentralhealing.com, or just go into the description box below this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you.